Have you ever wished your crypto could work overtime for you? Well, EigenLayer might just be your ticket to bigger rewards. This game-changing protocol is shaking up the Ethereum world, letting you earn more without buying extra crypto. In today's video, we'll cover how it boosts your earnings, makes crypto projects safer, and could even slash those pesky gas fees. So stick around as we unpack EigenLayer's magic. Let's start with some quick background info. EigenLayer is the brainchild of a team of brilliant minds at EIGEN Labs. The mastermind behind it is Sriram Kannan, a former professor who really knows his stuff when it comes to blockchain technology. Kannan and his team have been hard at work on this project since 2021, and they've managed to raise a whopping $164 million from some big-name investors, including Delphi Ventures, Lemniscap, Marana Ventures, Ambush Capital, and Andreessen Horowitz. That's a lot of faith in their idea, and it shows just how much potential EigenLayer has. So what exactly is EigenLayer? At its core, it's a new protocol built on top of Ethereum that introduces a concept called restaking to the Ethereum network. But it's so much more than just a new way to stake your ETH. Think of EigenLayer as a powerful multiplier for your crypto assets and for Ethereum security as a whole. When you stake your ETH on Ethereum, you're essentially locking up your tokens to help secure the network. In return, you earn staking rewards. EigenLayer takes this a step further. It allows you to take those same staked tokens and use them to secure additional services and protocols built on Ethereum, all without unstaking from the main Ethereum network. So how does EigenLayer's staking actually work in practice? EigenLayer introduces a layer of smart contracts that sit on top of Ethereum's existing staking mechanism. These smart contracts allow your staked ETH to be, in quote, reused as collateral for other services, known as actively validated services, or AVS. Basically, when you opt into EigenLayer, you're essentially telling the network, hey, I'm willing to let my staked ETH tokens back or vouch for the good behavior of these additional services. If the services you're backing behave correctly, you earn extra rewards on top of your regular Ethereum staking rewards. However, if they misbehave, a portion of your stake could be slashed as punishment. As you'd imagine, this system creates a powerful incentive structure. It encourages stakers to only back reliable services, which in turn motivates service providers to maintain high standards of security and performance. It's a win-win situation that enhances the security and functionality of the entire Ethereum ecosystem. One of the most innovative aspects of EigenLayer is how it allows for the creation of new consensus mechanisms within the Ethereum ecosystem. Traditionally, if you wanted to launch a new blockchain with its own unique consensus rules, you'd have to bootstrap your own network of validators from scratch. This is a huge barrier to entry for many projects. EigenLayer changes this. It allows new projects to tap into Ethereum's existing pool of stakers, leveraging their economic security without having to build a separate validator network. Think of this as a new business having access to a world-class security system from day one without having to build it themselves. This is a big deal because security is often one of the biggest hurdles for new blockchain projects. Also, this is revolutionary because it enables the creation of specialized services with custom validation rules, all secured by Ethereum's massive staking pool. For example, let's say a project wants to create a high-speed trading platform on Ethereum. They could use EigenLayer to create a service with custom validation rules optimized for speed, while still benefiting from the overall security of Ethereum's staker base. Now let's talk about the EIGEN Token. This is EigenLayer's own cryptocurrency, and it's a very crucial part of EigenLayer's governance and security model. The EIGEN Token allows holders to participate in the governance of the EigenLayer protocol, voting on important decisions about its future development. But perhaps more interestingly, EIGEN introduces a concept called intersubjective consensus. This is a technical way of saying that EIGEN holders can act as a final layer of human judgment in cases where automated systems can't make a clear decision. For instance, if there's a dispute about whether a service provider has acted maliciously in a way that's hard to prove mathematically, EIGEN holders can vote to resolve the situation. This creates a flexible human layer decision-making on top of the rigid mathematical rules of the blockchain. EigenLayer also introduces an innovative forking mechanism for the EIGEN Token. If a majority of EIGEN holders believe that a large group of stakers has acted maliciously, they can vote to create a new fork of the EIGEN Token where the malicious actors' tokens are slashed. This creates a powerful deterrent against large-scale attacks on the network. It's kind of like a community watch program for the blockchain. The EIGEN token ecosystem actually consists of two types of EIGEN tokens. EIGEN, and EIGEN. EIGEN is used for staking and can be subject to forking in case of disputes, while EIGEN is used for governance and other non-staking activities. This dual token system helps isolate the risks associated with staking from the broader ecosystem of EIGEN holders. So, how many EIGEN tokens are there? At launch, there will be over 1.67 billion tokens, and they're divided up into different groups. The community gets the biggest slice of the pie, with 45% of the tokens. Investors get 29.5%, but their tokens are locked up for 3 years. This means they can't sell them right away, which can help the price surge. Early contributors to the project get 25.5%, and their tokens are also locked for 3 years. Now let's talk about the EIGEN Airdrop. The Airdrop, or Stake Drop as they're calling it, started on May 10, 2024. If you've been using EigenLayer, you might be eligible for free EIGEN tokens. Here's how it works. 5% of the initial EIGEN supply is being distributed to users who have restaked their tokens on EigenLayer by March 15, 2024. The claiming period for this first phase of the airdrop ends on September 7, 2024. So if you're eligible, make sure to claim your tokens soon. There's also a second phase coming up, aimed at users who have more complex interactions with their liquid restaking tokens. This phase is set to start later this summer. Now let's talk about EIGENDA. This is one of the most exciting applications of EigenLayer technology. EigenDA is a decentralized data availability layer. As blockchain networks grow, they need to store more and more data. This can slow things down and make transactions more expensive. EigenDA offers a solution by providing a separate layer just for storing data. What's really cool about EigenDA is that it's secured by Ethereum through EigenLayer. This means it benefits from Ethereum's robust security without adding extra burden to the main Ethereum network. For you, as a user, this could mean much lower fees when you're using Layer 2 solutions or rollups. Projects like Mantle and CeeLo are already planning to use EigenDA, which could make their transactions faster and cheaper. EigenDA isn't just about lower fees though. It also helps solve the data availability problem that has been holding back some blockchain scaling solutions. By ensuring that transaction data is always available, EigenDA makes it possible for more advanced scaling solutions to work reliably. Of course, every new technology has its strengths and challenges, and EigenLayer is no different. On the plus side, EigenLayer offers better security for new projects. As we mentioned, this could lead to more innovation in the crypto space. Your crypto also works harder for you, potentially earning more rewards. There's more flexibility for developers, which could result in exciting new apps and services, and there's the potential for cheaper transactions, which is always a good thing for users. But there are also some risks to consider. There's a chance of losing your stake through slashing if something goes wrong, or if you or the operator you've delegated to behave badly. There's also a concern that EigenLayer might concentrate power in fewer hands, which goes against the idea of decentralization. The system could potentially lead to a race among protocols to offer the highest rewards, which might not be sustainable in the long run. And let's be honest, it's a complex system that might be hard for some people to understand fully. It's clear that EigenLayer is a game changer for the Ethereum ecosystem. It enhances rewards through innovative restaking while improving project security and potentially reducing gas fees. Looking ahead, EigenLayer's continuous development is set to further secure and streamline Ethereum, promising a new era of applications and services. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.